Well, hello everyone, this is GTC out here. I got quite the video for you guys. This will be covering trains caught in Kingston. Only two though, but it's quite special. Here we have Via 46 pulling up to the platform with its usual venture set. Here's where it gets interesting. See an M369 with a 5-unit consist, consisting of an Ex-Conrail GP38-2 and 2 Exo F59 PHs. 4 Go Transit. I would like to go in depth about these locomotives and just talk about the history. I guess we'll just start off with the Jeep. GATX 2657 was built as Penn Central 7871. Then, of course, being passed down to Conrail as Conrail 7871. Then, after the Conrail split, it was changed into CSX 1972. Oh. No, not that one, not that one. There we go. Before being sold to LLPX as LLPX 2041. Then after LLPX, it was sold to GATX as GATX 2657. Now, of course, it looks different from what you saw in the video. Mostly just due to weathering. But we'll look at some of the cool stuff that we can see. First off, the Con in Conrail is on the nose after a little bit of fading away. You can still see a little bit of the Conrail can opener, and you can still see a little bit of the R in rail of Conrail on the side. It was pretty neat to see this thing, as I never really thought I'd see a Conrail locomotive. Or actually, ex-Conrail locomotive in my life, sorry. But yeah. Now let's talk about these bad boys. The front F59PH, numbered 581 for Go Transit, was originally built as Go Transit 556, later being sold off to AMT as AMT 1349, then being sold off to Go Transit. Same goes for 580, originally built as Go Transit 555, then it was changed to AMT 1348, later Exo 1348, and now it is currently going back to Go Transit along with 581. Reason for this, I don't know. Probably for shorter trains. Go Transit needs it. The two CN locomotives is just your literal ordinary CN train. However, cool SE70 in this year. I find it ironic that I've seen a Conrail on the month of Conrail's birthday. I've always said happy birthday to Conrail on the 1st of April, but happy belated Conrail. Anyways, this is GTCR signing out. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.